Hello everyone. So, if you are thinking of learning about programming, and if you really want to dig deep about programming, and there's a question in your mind that which programming language you should use, then I'm gonna show you a book which is written by MIT professors, and this book, which is called Structure and Interpretation of Computer Programs. So this book is really, really beautiful. Okay, so this book will not only teach you the programming concepts, but it will also introduce you to a language called Lisp. Now, why Lisp? Okay, so if you are really learning about programming, you want to learn the concepts in a language that itself is very logically driven. So Lisp is the language that is uh, itself is like writing. Lisp is like writing logic to computers. So it feels like mathematics. So, and we all know that mathematics has a profound impact of computer programming. Okay, so when you learn Lisp, you feel like writing logic. Okay, so the concepts shown in this book are the concepts which is basically have made many languages. Okay, so many concept came out of the Lisp language, and for example, dynamic typing, it was first introduced in Lisp. Garbage collection came out of Lisp. Okay, recursion came out of Lisp. So these are the concepts which you, when you learn, you feel uncomfortable, but with the Lisp, you will feel naturally learning about this concept. So that's why Lisp is a really beautiful language. And why not choose some other language which are really heavy, like Python? Okay, so why not choose Python? Because you must have heard, if you want to learn programming, then start with Python. I have a different suggestion for you, because Python is a nice language. When you learn Python, yeah, you feel in starting you feel like, okay, I'm getting it. It is really easy to do code in Python so you will feel good. Okay, but for long run, for long and in stable run, Python will not be good, because Python is actually heavily depends on libraries. And when you go forward in your journey of programming, creating things, then you will find out that you are writing the code which you don't know how it works under the hood, because you are like standing in most of in black boxes, and you don't know what is inside it, and it can fall anytime. So choose the language wisely, and start with a language which gives you very minimal things. So Lisp does not provide you those libraries, and it gives you very simple tools in starting. Like Lisp only depends of two things. First, list, because it is called list processing language, so it will give you list and some atoms. Atoms are basically objects in Lisp, like number, okay, integer, float, symbols, string. So these are called atoms. So Lisp gives you atoms and list, and you can make function, you can manipulate it. It does not give you heavy things in starting. It just provide you minimal things, and once you get concept of those minimal things, and you actually build a very concrete foundation. And once you build that concrete foundation, over that you can create really great buildings. Okay, so this is the reason that I would suggest, if you really want to learn programming, start with the language that provide you very minimal things. You can also do it in C, and C is a great language to learn. And so if you want, C also gives you very minimal things, and you have to, but the syntax of C is really heavy. For me, actually, when I started learning C, I didn't find it very quite graspy. Okay, but when I learn Lisp, I feel like it is magic. Okay, it feels like it seems very natural to me, because I have always been interested in mathematics, and it feels like you are learning maths and programming at the same time, and you are writing logics into the program. So this book gives you a perfect combination of logic, concept, and language. Beautiful, elegant, powerful language. And Lisp is considered to be the first AI language. Okay, you can think about Lisp if you are beginner, you starting your programming journey. So this book will really be helpful. Now you can find it, this book may be conceptually heavy, but once you started to crack, and this book is in PDF format, free. You can search the name of this book. This book is called Structure and Interpretation of Computer Programs. Okay, so written by MIT professors. They have also given lectures, video lectures, and you can find it on YouTube. Let me show you. If I go to my YouTube, so this is the lecture that is uh, okay. So this is the lecture given by these professors. Okay, so you can find it if you type structure and interpretation. You will find these lectures. Okay, so
Make which is the numerator of the thing I'm constructing.
so they have given about 20 lectures video, and you follow the book and these lectures, then believe me, you will never regret in your life. So you will, after studying this book and these lectures, you will feel that you have really invest your time in something really beautiful and something really powerful. So go ahead and start doing this without thinking twice. Okay, so that's can be a bold suggestion, but I will really recommend, if you do that, you will really do great in programming. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.